Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is December 6, 2023, Wednesday, option expiry for BankNifty. So last 2 days, that is Monday and Tuesday, we didn't put our videos. The reason is very simple. As you know, I am based out of Chennai, and Chennai there is severe floods and other things going on. In fact, there was no power also. In fact, internet was also down. So hence, like normalcy is slowly limping back to Chennai. Of course, I am one of the very few blessed, like where I didn't have much of problems excepting few these teething issues. Hence, we couldn't put our videos. In fact, we couldn't even closely track the markets daily basis. But nevertheless, whenever internet was available, power was available, of course, we had a backup genset. All those things, we are blessed. That's what I'm saying. Unfortunately, many people were suffering. Here, I would request everyone, my regular viewers, to pray to God that to save people. People should not suffer. That is what it is. With that, let's go into today's discussion, which is why we couldn't put our videos or give any levels or anything. Sincere apologies for that. FinNifty closed today at 21,026.75, 0.14% down. BankNifty closed 46,834.55, 0.38% down. Nifty closed 0.4% up at 2937.70. Nifty is up while BankNifty and FinNifty is down. So it's very clear. So what had happened? So if you recollect, we have been telling that it is on an uptrend. So BankNifty, FinNifty and Nifty indices have started moving up significantly. In fact, there was a significant gap up opening that happened on Monday morning post the 3 state election results. So market always doesn't like uncertainty. So it wants continuity, and such a continuity with such a stellar margin given to the ruling party BJP, market obviously liked it. Okay, so we are market players. We don't belong to any party. So I'm just putting the facts. That's all. Okay, I would request viewers not to conclude that I either belong to X party or Y party, Z party. No, I belong to market party. So market loves continuity. Same thing happened when 2009 Dr. Manmohan Singh won for the second time. The market gave a thumbs up. So market doesn't bother about which government or who is coming to power, as long as there is some continuity and there is some continuation of the policies, overall policies, framework and policies. Hence, the same party continuing, same prime minister continuing, obviously market will like it. So, and with such a decisive mandate given to BJP, obviously market liked it. So in the entire process, what happened? Monday it opened significantly gap up, and in fact, if you recollect, I've been telling that market does not move on the basis of fundamentals. It moves on the basis of perception. Perception is nothing but the mood of the market, which is nothing but demand and supply. That is accurately captured by technical analysis. So what had happened? Ideally, market would not have gone up so much in this week. If you see the overall US markets, people can see my weekend video where we have put clearly that the US market will come down this week, sideways to come down. That is what is happening. That is what will happen. Our market also ideally should have happened this week that way. But for this result is a new event, new environment, a new mood of the market, right? It completely changed the dimension of the market, which is why market has taken positively. So hence, if one is a long-term investor, it is time wherever like you get such opportunity, it is like today, it is good entry point. But of course, traders, the story is different, which is why everyday trader, it's like fisherman's story, right? Every day you go to the sea, every day you come back, right? So traders' life is like that. So what happened today? FinNifty and BankNifty formed bearish engulf, which means it covered significantly the yesterday's candle and formed a solid big red candle. But in spite of forming such a candle, it managed to stay above the Bollinger upper band in the daily and weekly chart, which is a good sign as far as BankNifty and FinNifty is concerned. But definitely it is a first reversal. Hence, one has to be little cautious, because as I have been telling many times, first reversal has to be ignored. People should blindly not go on short, or people should not go and buy at this time, because first reversal you ignore and see the market outcome. As long as the market is above the exponential moving average and the trends are going up, so it is a trend continuation, but definitely it's a first reversal. Nifty also formed a kind of a first reversal. It formed a hanging man. Hanging man at the top is a reversal indication. But is it the indication that tomorrow it will go down? Tomorrow it can come down, no doubt about it, particularly if it opens gap down. But is it a trend reversal? I would argue against it. It is not a trend reversal. We need confirmation for trend reversal. But only thing is that there will be some pullback that might be happening because of such a candle that it had formed in the daily chart and in the weekly chart. Already in the month, Nifty has formed Nifty, all the three indices have formed a solid green candle, and Nifty being the stellar performer, and it is significantly going up. So with this, Nifty all the indices are going to close decisively for the year end. So year end, you have hardly another 20 trading sessions left in this month. Hence, the closure will be very strong. That is what it is. In fact, I had stated last week, Thursday or Friday, if I'm right, it will not close above the previous quarter's high. But the new event has changed the dimension completely, and I will not be even surprised if it closes above, but still I would see whether the previous quarter's high, that is September quarter high, whether it is holding or not. Probably tomorrow and day after tomorrow we will give the exact levels of those quarter highs. Okay, but Nifty will definitely hold, but FinNifty and BankNifty we have to see. But what is happening? HDFC Bank and everything, HDFC Bank, SBI, is still below the 2022 close. It is not able to close above that. Once it closes decisively above that, you can easily having a 3 to 5% up move in this, which will take BankNifty and Nifty up further. But today also, particularly HDFC Bank went above it but couldn't hold. In fact, today's opening itself was above the 2022 close, but HDFC could not hold there. That means there is some selling pressure coming at the top. Hence, which is reflected in the candle that BankNifty has found, FinNifty has found, and in fact Nifty has also found. Nifty has other components support. So that is how the overall texture structure of the market. Now let's go into the individual analysis. Banks, Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank, Federal Bank fell 1%. Axis had a beautiful rally the last 1 week, and IDFC and Yes Bank up 1%. HDFC Bank, others remain sideways. On the financial, Shriram Finance 1% down, Bajaj Finance, Chola, IDFC, L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance, M&M 1% up, Jio up by 2%. Jio had a very good move in the last 2-3 days, right? It's all purely technical. In the insurance and cards, ICICI General and SBI Life 1% down, HDFC Life and ICICI Pru 1% up, LIC had a massive move of 4%. The oil and telecom, Bharti 1% down, Reliance 1% up. That's why you had Nifty outperforming. The IT stocks, HCL Tech, Infi 1% up, Birlasoft, Cofor, TCS, Emphasis 2% up, LTIM, Wipro 3% up, LTTS 4% up. Now that explains why Nifty outperformed BankNifty. Right, on the consumer goods, ABFRL, Berger 1% down, Britannia, Colpal, Nestle, Titan, PVR 1% up, DMart and ITC 2% up. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Maruti, TVS Motor 1% down, Eicher Motors 2% down. Ashok Leyland, Escorts, M&M Motherson 1% up, Tata Motors 2% up. Metals, coal 1% down, NMDC and Jindal Steel 1% up, National Aluminium and Vedanta 3% up, SAIL 4% up. In the health and pharma, Apollo Pharmacy and Dr. Reddy 1% down, Thyrocare had a massive move of 5%. In the others category, Eris, Polycab, Ultratech 1% down, Adani Enterprise 2% up, Havells, Indigo, Nykaa, UPL and Godrej 1% up, L&T and Zomato 2% up, IRCTC 3% up. IRCTC had a good move of 3% up. So Adani Group post the election result had a significant move on Monday and Tuesday. Today there is some pullback that is happening. Normally that is what happened, right? When a stock is associated with something negative event, and the negative event becomes positive, obviously there will be short covering. Everybody will be running to cover their shorts, which propel the stock up. That is what it is. With all these things, what is the expiry support and resistance that one can look for option expiry for Nifty tomorrow? The previous week high, which it formed in the weekly chart, 2291.50, that's a very strong support. I mean, Nifty, otherwise other levels are below. So hence it has taken decisively out. That's the only support that is available. In fact, Fibonacci 161 also is around somewhere around these levels. On the resistance side, it is very difficult. Hence, one has to see where it opens, see the hourly chart, 2-hour charts, 4-hour charts, then accordingly decide what is the upper resistance level it will close above, and also see the underlying stocks and their strength and accordingly play around. That is what a smart trader will do. Thank you very much.